is an evil counterfeit of Christianity. Now, please listen to me. We live in the UK.
Okay.
In the UK, we respect people. We have a criminal law in place. And according to the criminal law that is in place, we can discuss religion, critique religion. There is no such thing called disrespecting religion. There's no such thing. There are other people, Muslims, who are at the park who think if I speak about Islam,
Is that actually his body?
I am disrespecting, and therefore they can do terrible
But what's
things
your
to me.
point? What's your main
My
argument?
point to you is this. Islam is an evil religion, out
No,
and
it's
out.
not. That's not true.
So please explain to me what is there which is good in Islam.
like the
He said he hasn't got enough knowledge.
He can speak.
I know, but you lot all trying to victimize him.
It's not
You're asking.
Is
it's
he
not a
your
conversation.
brother?
He's asking him about Islam. He just said that he hasn't got enough.
Is he your brother?
Now you're going to make your camera content. Why do you think? Why do you think
You
everyone's
come too
getting
close
angry?
to me now, please
Why do
don't.
you think everyone's getting angry?
Because you're nutters, you can't defend your religion. Now, why are you speaking for someone else? Do you know at Speaker's Corner we come to?
yes.
It's not about we're not
Please don't
about
listen to
anything.
him. Please don't listen. Not to you, sir.
No,
Why exactly? Why? My dear friend,
don't think of yourself.
I have read the Quran. This is why you were stood here. I'm trying to have a sincere conversation. I didn't threaten you. You are a sensible human being. You are, I'm assuming, an adult, maybe 20 years of age or something. An adult in the UK at Speaker's Corner. But what does the mafia do? The mafia will prevent you from even engaging in a conversation. The one who came and pulled you away.
Why is he mafia?
Well, the one who doesn't want you to think and would want you to be part of the ring. You know what mafia does? Do you know what mafia would do? If you ever become part of the mafia, don't do, yeah? One mafia is enough in your life. Islam is one mafia, that's enough in your life. But if you're not part of any other mafia, please don't become. You know what they'll do? The moment you become a mafia member, you can't leave. If you leave, they'll take your life away. That is what the mafia would do, and that is what Islam does. My dear friends, to you, my dear friend, I've given a list of things. Abusing women, pedophilia, treating women as sex slaves, murdering Jews and Christians merely because we disagree on religion, not intending to live in peace with the Jews and Christians. My dear friend, please listen. I'm not insulting, I'm stating facts from the Quran. Stating facts as they are, black and white. Now I completely understand. Stating facts from the Quran would be insulting. I completely understand. And the reason the stating of facts from the Quran is insulting is because the Quran is insulting. The Quran is an evil book. Now I would like to read some nice portions from the Quran which will debunk the evil nature of Islam, and that is where I'm asking the Muslims. How exactly, my dear friend, do you think Islam is a good religion? Please come, explain.
I don't have enough knowledge.
And this is the problem. The ones who want to engage will be made to say that you don't have knowledge. My dear friend, you're old enough. You have a brain that can work. And so, I am trying to have a sincere conversation. My dear friend, I am trying to have a sincere conversation. There is only one thing that would prevent you from having this sincere conversation. There's only one thing. Do you know what that is?
I don't want to say something.
Sure. Please come.
But don't put me in the middle. I'm just telling you.
No, please come. It's not a matter of... Please come.
Okay.
I want you... What's your name?
Mother.
Mother. Yeah. All that I want you to do is help you understand. Yeah. All of these clowns, they'll prevent you from speaking. Yeah. And they'll run away from me. You'll see both sides.
You can
Let's
go. You can
Let's
debate
go.
with him if you want to. Don't get me.
Yeah, please, shall we go? Brothers. One last time. Let's try it. Come on.
Let's go. One last time.
Please come.
Don't you realise this is
Where is... yeah, he's there. Sorry, one second. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Please come. Let Nasser know. You see how they prevent? Can you see?
Yeah.
The ring. You know what happens at Speaker's Corner? Christians prevent others from coming in because the Muslims are causing trouble.
No, that's not true.
No,
No, you saw them cause trouble,
No, you coming for trouble.
including some of these fellows.
You coming for trouble.
What have I come right now for?
Troublemaker.
Don't touch me. What have I come right now for?
Bad man you are.
You can't like describe religion as bad people. Every religion has
Let
bad
me ask you
people,
a simple
know what I
question.
mean?
Have I come here so far? Have I caused any trouble so far?
You're being disrespectful. Like
Disrespectful
Some
is
ways.
disrespectful is not a problem to anyone. Yeah? It's not a
it is,
crime.
what do you? It is.
How did I disrespect?
You're using derogatory words. And
Like
stuff.
what?
Like you're calling people terrorists and religious terrorists and stuff.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now I call
Like
them
30
terrorists.
seconds ago over there.
30 seconds ago.
Yeah.
Right now I've come here. Do you think he's going to debate?
He said that if you come to him, he's more than happy to.
I am here. I am here.
You don't want to.
Please tell him you are a young Muslim
You don't want to.
who don't know enough,
He's busy.
and you want him to debate because according to you he knows.
He has more knowledge. Yes.
He has more knowledge, or so you think. And so you think he could debate. But try and suggest to him, try and tell him Arul is here. See what happens. Please speak to him. Please. You know him, yeah, please.
Yeah. After he finished, when he's finished.
He's not finished, he's pretending that he's in the middle of a discussion. That's what's happening. You think he has discussions? Look at him. He's giving orders to other fellows and they're working out orders right now to prevent conversation. The only thing he's busy with right now is preventing conversation. That's all.
Just one question.
Sure.
All the cameras, is it like documentation? Like, are you documenting it, or is it like, are you getting views online, or like, what's the reason for all the cameras? I'm just curious.
We are here. I am, and many of us are here to for the benefit of people like you, Mata.
Yeah.
You know, I look at you.
Yeah.
You are a young man.
This is his business.
Unlike this gentleman,
Yeah.
who says this is my business, so he's
Are you
derogatory.
profiting off these videos, or is it just to spread knowledge? Are you genuinely trying to spread
I'm
knowledge?
spreading knowledge,
You're genuinely trying to spread knowledge.
genuinely trying to spread knowledge, and that is why, whereas Masar is running away,
Yeah.
I have come.
So then why so many cameras? Why do you not just need like one camera? Isn't that enough?
Because you are one person, the rest of the
You're one
park.
person, 10 cameras. He
Please
got-
listen.
He got
Please.
10 cameras.
You know,
Lighting,
well, I'll explain to you,
Yeah.
Mother. Please listen. I'll explain. No, don't listen to him. He has failed his primary schooling, and since then he has been growing his beard. So too long. The beard is so long because he too long. You know. But I'll explain to you, Mother.
Okay.
You see, if you get an estimate, if I could give you an estimate of the number of Muslims at Speaker's Corner
Okay.
right now,
Yeah.
I'll say maybe a few hundreds, a couple of hundreds.
Okay.
Couple of hundreds.
Yeah.
And I can tell you genuinely, throughout this day, you are the only one who is remotely sensible or sincere.
Okay.
I'm not even talking about sensible,
Yeah.
but sincere, remotely. The rest of the crew don't want to hear. I don't want to show up.
Yeah.
Well, for one person, I would show up.
Yeah.
But I'll prefer to cover these things on camera. So, like Mathur in the UK, maybe there are 10,000 other sincere ones in the UK.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
These clowns won't benefit. You see, this gentleman, he won't benefit. He is too busy operating his clown show, preventing me going near. That's exactly what he's doing.
not-
Why do you think they are surrounding? Am I attacking Mansoor?
No, but that's not nice. Why do you have to be rude to them?
I'm not
He's
rude.
being respectful
One
to you.
camera, he got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5 cameras.
With lighting
Well,
and
Yeah.
Don't worry. You know, when we spread knowledge, we need more cameras. To spread your clown show, one is enough. Now, to you, Mata. Ask. No, you take a burning question. Yeah? So you know how they claim, how Muslims would have told you, older Muslims like that gentleman would have told you that the Quran is not corrupt, it's
Yeah.
perfectly preserved and so on. My challenge to you is this:
Yeah.
the Bible is marvelously preserved.
Yeah.
The Bible is great literature,
Yeah.
morality marvelous, and in terms of preservation, wonderful. I know exactly what Jesus did for me
Yeah.
on the cross, and I can tell you exactly what Jesus did for you. And I know exactly what the apostles taught others.
Yeah.
We know exactly because the Bible is marvelously preserved.
Yeah.
But I can tell, this is my challenge. Islam, on the other hand, is an evil counterfeit. That's my challenge.
That's the- you
Don't
see
be
what I mean?
offended.
Okay.
The Quran not alone claims that you can kill based on religious disagreement. It also says you must commit a genocide of the Jews and the Christians. This is why what's happening in Israel is happening today. Most of the Muslims don't know history. You know how the Dome of the Rock?
Yeah.
You know Dome of the Rock? Are you familiar with the Dome of the Rock?
Yeah.
Do you know how it got there in a Jewish Jerusalem, Jewish
Sorry,
city?
sorry, sorry.
No
He
problem.
needs to go.
I know. You see, he.
No, it's not. Oh, just give me 1 second.
Sure,
yeah?
sure, no problem. This gentleman here will not take care of his sex slave at home, the Nikard sex slave at home, but because he's not concerned about the women at his home, but he is concerned that the young man won't have a conversation about Islam. That he is concerned about. Why? Because these are mafia gang members. Some of them are ringleaders, some of them are low-level minions. I don't know which one is what. But the problem is, my dear friends, the Quran, don't be angry. Don't be. Say again.
Forbidden pig.
Say again.
Forbidden pig.
Who am I?
A forbidden pig.
Why am I a pig? Why am I a pig, sir? So you assaulted me earlier. The gentleman in the dark wearing dark sunglasses, can you see? He's trying to hide his shame. Why are you angry, sir?
He's not hungry.
He is angry. Maybe hungry and angry. Behaving like a child.